Next, we're going to set the date and time. So we're in tech mode already. Scroll down to machine configuration, press enter, set the date and time. And as you can see, that's not the correct date, so press enter. The year is 25, so press enter. Scroll that to 2, press enter. Scroll that to 5, press enter. And then we'll go to the next one, which is the month. So we are in August. So press enter. Make that a 0, put minus sugar. Press enter. And we'll scroll that up to number 8 for August. Press enter. Press the plus sugar. Now we're looking for the day. The date today is the 14th. So press enter. Minus sugar for 1. Enter. Go to 4. Enter. So that's the date 14th of the 8th, 25. Press enter. Thank you. So the next one is the day in frequency. The way that works is Monday is considered to be number 1. Today is Thursday, so we need to set that at 4. Right, Thursday is at the 4th day in the cycle. Press enter, and that's the date. So what we do now is the time. Press enter. So the time is 12:05. So that's pretty good. Minutes. Press enter. We'll get that down to 0. Enter. And we'll get that down to 5. And that's it. So we've set the time and the date on this machine.